Right, so for this section, we'll try to work on the rock fluid component. So you double click on rock fluid types and then you select new rock type. So we have information from the sample file, information with respect to the water oil table and then the liquid gas table. So let's begin with the water oil table. And if you look through the file, you would realize we do not have information for capillary pressure, the imbibition curve. So we'd have to uncheck this box. We would have 4 columns. Yeah, so let me try to use Excel to export the data. Go to data. So I've combined information for the water oil saturation and then the gas liquid saturation into this single file. So let me copy the ones that pertain to the water oil saturation, and it is to this section. So I copy this and then paste it here. So we have this curve which isn't very smooth, and to smoothen this we use cubic smoothing, and this would generate a new set of data. So what we have in here would be different from what would have in the data file. Okay, so cubic smoothing, and then we go to tools, smooth, then we click on OK. And then let's do the same for liquid gas table. So let me copy and paste that from here as well. Okay, I need to apply cubic smoothing as well. All right, so this is what we ended up with for the liquid gas table. Okay, this needs smoothing. For some reasons, it isn't very smooth. We might have to change one or two things. Let me use power law. Okay, this works. So we click OK, and we would have information for. So we have different plots here. We have the solution gas curve versus pressure. We have oil formation volume factor versus pressure. We have gas expansion factor versus pressure. And then we have the permeability curves here. Okay. So that's for the rock fluid section. And I think we can go ahead to include the initial conditions. That won't take long. So we'll leave this at water oil gas. And our reference pressure here is 34,000. And we are interested with the depth of 3170. That's our reference depth. We have our water oil contact to be 3250, and then the gas oil contact to be 2990. And we've been given a constant bubble point pressure, so we have to include that in here. So that's 30,000. Click OK, and we are done with both rock fluid section and then the initial conditions.